this. Share my screen. All right. Okay, we have already know the lamp problems, right? So let's try to solve this problem. Okay. So what you're seeing here is the Vietnamese folk. It's like a Vietnamese folk riddles. Okay. So what it means is that I will explain this to you. Okay. So what it means is that it's like this. So so uh, I don't know if you understand this, but I will explain it to you in English. Okay. So there are two types of animals: chicken, and dogs. Okay. 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 So this is the riddle, and this. So I will summarize what is it saying. Okay. So and the total no the number of animal is 36, and the total of legs is 100. Okay, so this is the issues, and we need to answer this question. The question is how many. We need somehow to figure it out how many chicken and dogs. How many chicken and dog in 36 animals here? Okay. So can you have you understand the question? Have you understand the challenge? Can you solve this? Can you solve? Can you solve the riddle? Dog? Can you solve the riddle? Can you solve the riddle like this? Dog? So there are two types of animal: chicken and dogs. Huh? Do you know how to solve this?
Okay, awesome.
Okay. Okay. So, can you explain to me first? Can you explain to me how you can solve this question? Tao?
Let me think.
Okay.
If let's say one dog has 4 legs
Mm-hmm.
and one chicken has 2 legs,
Yeah. So what?
that'll be 6.
36.
16.
Okay.
Use calculator.
Okay. 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 Just try to solve it. Okay. And tell me the solution to solve this.
Say
Huh?
if two groups of animals, let's say one dog and one chicken counts as one animal, counts as one group of animal, you would need 16.67 repeating,
Okay.
or rounded up is 16.7 animals for close to 100 legs.
Okay. So that means what? Okay.
Animals are 36 in total is 100. How many chickens and dogs? 100 divided by 36.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, Tom, have you ever heard about systematic equations? Systematic equations? like this: systematics equation. Have you learned it in school, in your school? In my this is one of the mathematics methods to solve many variables.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So okay. So do you have any thought about this? Do you have any solutions? Can you think of any solution to solve this? Okay. Yeah, it's kind of tricky. It is one of the tricky riddle of the Vietnamese folk.
No.
No? Okay. At least you try. Okay. Okay, so I will show you the solution. Okay. So okay, so let's talk about the equation, systematic equation first. Okay, so this is how you can systematically solve the riddle by using mathematic method like this. So you just let the a variable and you set like this. So you let x is the number of the chicken, and e and y is the number of dogs. Okay, chickens. So we need to find x and y, right? So from the from what we learned, from what we had, we will have this systematic. It's called systematic. Okay, systematic equation. Have this systematic equation. All right. So the total number of animals is 36, and the x is the number of chicken and y is the number of dogs. So that means we have this. We have a statement like this: x plus y equal 36. Do you understand this? Do you understand this? No. Do you understand x plus y equal 36? All right.
Yes.
And then what we have left is total legs is 100, right? And remember that each of the chicken have 2 legs. That means the total legs of each chicken is what? Is the total legs of to what? No, the total legs of each chicken of each chickens. So each chickens have 2 legs, and the total number of legs of each chicken is 2 multiplied by x, right?
Yeah, so it would be like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And similarly to the dogs, each dogs have 4 legs.
4y.
4y, yeah, 4y, and this will equal with 100. Okay, so this is called systematic equations. Okay, you will learn this in school later, and you will easily solve and then you can calculate the x and y by doing this. X and y. All right. You can do it like this. You can do like x equal 36 negative y. Wait. Yeah, and then you replace the x inside of this equation with the statement above. So 36 negative y plus 4y and equal 100. So this will give you the this statement like 72 negative 2y plus 4y equal 100, and then you will have 2y equal 100 negative 72 is 28. Okay, and then you will have y equal 14. So that the number of chicken, no wait, no, y is the number of dogs, not chicken. So the number of dogs is y equal 14. Okay, and because x equal 36 negative y, so that the number of chickens is x equal 36 negative y equal 36 negative 14 equal what? Equal 22. Okay, so we have already solved so we have already solved the answer. It has solved the question. Okay, so the answer is we have 14 dogs and 22 chicken to make 100 legs and 36 animal. Okay, so this is called the systematic approach, which you will learn in your school later on. The equation is very useful and easiest method to solve this. But I will give you okay, but you know what? So this is how you can solve this in systematic equation like this. This is how this is explaining in Vietnamese. Yeah. So okay, so so can you think of that how the computer can solve the last question? Do you have any idea how the computer can solve the last question? Don? It's very tricky to think of when because we don't know how the computer can think like us, so we don't know what the computer can solve this question. So do you know how the computer can solve that? Can the computer solve this question for us? Okay. So you can say whatever you think.
14.
14. Okay, so
say whatever you think.
Okay, 14. Okay, so remember that the computer is very fast and yeah, they're very fast of trying to test something. Like as you can see here, we actually can, take a random number of x and y and then check whether it is match with the number in the challenge or not, right? But we do it slowly, very slow. So we need to do this because we cannot do that. But the computer is very fast, so they can check. They can take out a random x and y values and then check whether this is equal with the the value of the challenges and the value of the challenge or not. Okay, so let me try to solve this. Okay. Okay, so so this is how you can do it. Okay. So first, let's take out a star point. Okay. So this is star. Okay. And then after that, we need to create two variable. It is called x and y. We represent the x. X is the number of the chickens and y is the number of the dogs. Okay. So first is x. The first thing, so x will first equal 0, oh no, 1, and then y will equal 1. Okay. Wait, we need to start from the 0 to be okay, so we need to start from the 0. Okay. Okay, so this process will initialize these two variable value, and then we need to check what we need to check. What we need to check though? What we need to check? What we need to check right here? What we need to check? What we need to check right here? Okay, we need to check whether xa plus y equal 36 or the number of legs is equal 100, right? So we need to check the current number is 36 or not. So x plus y equal 36, and x plus what? I know 2x plus y for y equal 100. Okay. So do you understand this? All right. So try to make it smaller. Right. Okay. So after this, what happened when is saying what happened if it is true? What happened is the correct answer? What happened? What happened? What happened right in this direction? What happened right here? What happened if these question are true? What happened? What happened? What are you saying? What are you saying? And what? And what? And what?
And FlowChart.
Okay. Okay, but before we need we need to output the x and y. Okay, we need to output the x and y value, which is the answer. Okay, answer. Okay, x, y. So we need to output this first, and then we need to output this, and then we end the program. Okay. Okay, and then end. Okay, but what happened if it say no? What happened if the question say no? What happened? What if it say no?
Integrate to the start again.
Okay. Integrate to the start again. Okay. No, it is not true. Okay. What happened is we want to increase the number of x and y. Wait, but before we need
increase it again. Then if no, then increase it again. If no, then go back to the start.
Yeah, but we need to check.
Only if true. Only if true. Only if true. Only if true.
What are you saying? I cannot understand anymore.
Like if only if like the thing is correct, then you go back to the start.
Okay, but
if the answer is true, then go back to the thing.
The thing is this thing?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so you mean like this? You mean like this? X equal x plus 1? I don't know. Y equal y plus 1, and then let's go back to this, right?
No, like if it's true, or if the answer is true.
Okay, so if the answer is true, so we will output it to the screen and then end the program already, like this.
Yeah.
Okay, but if it say no, what we need to check?
Add more.
We need to check what value we need to add. Okay, x or y. How we can know that? 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 We need to check. What we need to check? What value we need to check? So here's the thing. The total number of animals is 36, right? So does x or y is allowed to greater than 36? The value of x or the value of y is allowed to greater than 36. Is that allowed? Is that allowed?
No.
No. Okay. So
the value cannot be over 36.
Yeah, that's right. So after the y increase to the 36, we need to increase the x instead of the y, right? We need to increase the x and then set the y into 0 again. Okay, so that is the plan we need to do here. We need to check whether the y is greater than or equal 36. Okay, and if it is true, we need to do like this. We need to do like this. We need to increase x instead of y. Okay, we need to increase x instead of y. So it will go like this. Okay, so this arrow will become.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, very smart.
Yeah. But because if you don't do it, it will increase forever. The y will increase forever and not the x. Okay. So we need to handle whether the x greater than 36. Okay. So if the y greater than 36, we need to increase the x, but we need to set the y back to 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, why is messing it up? All right, so after that we will check again, right? Like this. Okay, so this is the solution. All right, this is the solution for the riddle. Okay, so we need to check. First, we set x and y, initialize the x and y to 0, and then we check whether it is equal 0, whether x plus y equal 36 or 2x plus 4y equal 100. If it is indeed a correct answer, we will answer for the user, answer back to the user x and y, and then end the program. But if it's not, we will make an integration. But first, we need to check whether y greater than 36. If y does not greater than 36, no, we will increase y by one value and then return to check it again. But if the y greater than 36, greater or equal 36, we will we will make a we will make a process right here. We will increase the y instead of x. We will increase the x instead of y, and then set the y back to 0. Okay, and then continue to check until we get the answer. Okay, that is how you can work on. That is how you work. Okay, have you understand this? Okay, so I will